Let's go. We're back. We are back for more chaos. Look at Mark. Mark has been on fire, Lincoln. On fire. On fire. That's cool. Microsoft news. You know what's funny is Microsoft also reports earnings today. So that's interesting. Let's go, Virus. Let's go, Josh. Bradley, let's go, Kimbella. Let's go, Performance AO. Lincoln, hello again. Hello, Gary. Positioned early. First one. Let's go. How are you, Gary? Good to see you. Yo, 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 Mo. We need some more goals for fantasy, you know? Some more goals. Golasso. Anyways, AOT. Hello, hello, hello. Yeah, have you played with Mark? That's amazing. I couldn't because I was still kind of happy with the CDIO swing. So then I don't want to be selling positions that I like to go chase other stuff, you know. So yes, Gary, thank you. So yeah, Mark looks really good. These guys announced that news with Microsoft. Look at that! Oh my goodness, look at it go, 191%. Sheesh, look at that run. Yeah, this dip to 64 was actually quite nice. Let's go, Josh. Let's go, let's go. And then another breakout at 80 cents. And then here goes highs of the day, right? So $1, 2 cents. Yeah, $1.02. Just a worker. The who? This looks like a double top now, so just be careful above a dollar. Just be careful, please. Other than that, I still don't mind BBLG. Maybe wait for that thing to break above 410 at this point. Nexi's been dropping. Obviously, it's had an amazing rally from $8 to $28 in the same day. That's pretty impressive. Alrighty, there's a whole bunch of names. A whole bunch of names. Hopefully, you guys have had some lunch, had a good afternoon, and you're ready to go again. Alrighty? Okay. So after the market closes today, Microsoft reports earnings. AMD, Alphabet, Google, same Google's. Starbucks reports. Skyworks. There are a whole bunch of names. And then also keep in mind tomorrow is the Fed day. We always have lunch. We'll do this earnings season starting today. Let's go, Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft, NVIDIA, not NVIDIA, AMD, and then Google as well. So some pretty big names. Obviously, Microsoft is going to move the market, right? And then, so I think these guys have kind of left the calendar open on Wednesday because we have the Fed meeting tomorrow. And then on Thursday, we have the big boys again: Facebook, Amazon, Apple, right? Whole bunch of, oh my goodness, look at that. New highs of the day for Mark. Sheesh. Sheesh. That looks impressive. So again, congratulations if you're in that thing, please. Congratulations. It just needs to close above like a dollar too. Uh, I like it. Mm. I can't believe that's a meme now, virus. That picture of like the dude jumping over the thing. BA should be interesting, yeah. So Kimbella, you got in at 67 cents and you sold at 78. High five. Let's go. Let's go. And then you got in again at 89 and sold at 97. Double high five. Let's go. Today Netflix may also get a deal with Disney for ESPN Plus and could keep. Okay. Yeah, these big names just want to keep going. These big names. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, what's the market cap for Mark here? What's the market cap? Oh, well, that obviously helps. The market cap is 21 million, and so these guys are potentially. I see. I don't even want to go into the details of. They're saying they're making a deal with Microsoft worth $80 million. So no wonder the damn stock has gone up 200%. Because the current market cap of 20 million doesn't even account for like the deal But yeah, the damn stock is pumping though. Ooh wee, that's a nice run. That is a very nice run. Na, 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 na. Drop the towel tomorrow, and I honestly would not be surprised if it did that. I was telling Rob, what if we just went, all in NQ, 112. What would you consider playing after hours? I don't know. Um, Mark seems to be the only one that's performing into the close. Well, CDIO also doesn't look too bad, but I don't even know where this thing is going to close because we have 45 minutes left, right? Start with a market cap of that's 7 million. Okay, I just looked at TradingView, and TradingView, well, that's what it is now, I guess, right? At the time, yeah, 7 million seems right because that's what they're at now, according to TradingView. So isn't that crazy? 7 million, and then a deal that's worth 80 million. My goodness. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah, no, Kimbella, it's different because again, like we have 45 minutes to go. I promise you, but in 45 minutes, things are gonna look so different, right? So asking for like after hour plays now is a bit early. It's a bit early. I need to start sleeping at night to be more focused. What do you do at night instead, Gail? What have you been doing at night? I need to start sleeping at night. What have you been doing at night? Why are all these gains? Wow, how are these guys losing by two goals more? How? You're angry that you got out of it? No, again, this is a crazy stock. Crypto. Are we sure it's crypto, Gary? Gail, what are you doing at night? It's a crazy stock, Kimbella. So I don't think you should be angry for taking profits. Yeah, I would not be angry for it. How the hell are they down to nothing already? Like, honestly, these teams are. I'm over, I'm over it. I'm finished. Ended already. If a friend came over last night to show me some work she had done. Uh huh. Yeah, they're usually good at home actually. Well, Brighton also has trash defense. Anyways, a friend came over to show me some work she had done, and you guys couldn't do that work. You couldn't have. Anyways, holding. There you go. La la la. Well done, Focus. Well done. Good job. I love it. Love it. I like these quick scalpies. A friend, huh? Uh, we sleep when we dance. All we do is win. Yes, please. I would like that very much. I would like that very much. Na 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 na. Na. Art. It's Gary's your favorite. Well, Gary's a lot of people's favorite. So yeah. Mm, 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 mm. You're not angry? No, Wes. You should. Yeah, you've done really well with those scalpies. You should be very proud. Should be very proud. Okay, wait. No, I'm talking. Oh, I see, Rob. Okay. Uh, I don't want to die. You know when you say things, Rob, and then you're like, huh, maybe I shouldn't say such things. That's Rob. La la la. any room to get the entire to get entries for Mark. Again, this is why it's beneficial to be in Discord. Discord, Mark was getting spammed in Discord. Let me show you, okay? Mark was getting spammed in Discord in the 40s, 40 cents, right? And then they had that rally, and then they came down. Oh my goodness! Can somebody show me a breakout? Does that look like a breakout? Rally number one on Catalyst. You can almost play this like a pre-market name. So they had news. It popped and then it dropped, like we explained in that video, and then it went for the second rally, and then it's gone, right? From 40 cents to another breakout to gone skis. So I know people keep asking for entries on this, but I mean, look at what the stock has done. Every time it's gone up, it's had dips. You better restart that thrust, you worthless goat. I know. I These days I just put it on and then I pretend like the thrust beats are not playing. I just pretend like they're not playing. Um, so there's a lot of resistance here below $1.20. So when it's sitting at $1.16, $1.17, risk reward might not be the best if resistance is 120. That was a good short. It wasn't a good short. Last week, Pat. Nice for Mark. Yeah, Mark was a good name last week, wasn't it? It was part of the Trump rally stocks, right? So we talked about Mark quite a bit last week, because again, it was Trump, right? But this week it's running for a whole different reason, though. They actually have news with Amazon, not Amazon, Microsoft. So it's completely different now. So here comes 120 for resistance, and there it is. This thing is damn strong, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. GMBL. 121. 121. Yeah, this is a pretty impressive run. And to think, yeah, I did. I don't know why I benched him, because I don't think he's gonna keep a clean sheet. But I know that's not why I have him. But I regret doing that now, because I have an idiot named Bailey that is on the bench also. That dude didn't never see the field again. I'm about to get rid of him. Unbelievable. Resistance, what, Wes? I mean, so let's see. Let me zoom out really quickly here for Mark already. Let me zoom out really quick. I just want to see what that 120 looks like. 120 is usually just a typical psychological level, but it doesn't have to be the. Because I mean, if you go back far enough, you're gonna start to see levels like 130 and then 150. Yeah, 130, 150. Interesting. Oh yeah, that thing is going, right? So levels like 130, 150 is what you see when you look at the daily time frame. I'm surprised this thing isn't halted. It looks like it's halted. No, it's not halted. It just looks that way. 284%, guys. Well, there's $1.30. Yep. So yeah, when you zoom out, you see $1.30 and then you see $1.50. But it's been to $1.50 quite a lot, right? So, anyways, my goodness. I'm gonna. No, don't short. It's going down. Don't short it. Otherwise, there'll be a short squeeze. Short squeeze, Josh. In 5 seconds, Wes. Yeah. I think that entry after the dip to 64 cents, Wes, was a pretty good entry. It had a nice little base at that price. A nice little base. And the good thing is, like, if I go down far enough, it wasn't just a base. It actually consolidated a little bit at that level, right? 64 cents. It's almost like a double bottom, and then it curled back up and it never looked back. So, which is amazing. Which is amazing. I will give you a thrust. A thrust. Once we get back to $2.20, 217, Josh, or 217 on CDIO, or $1.50 on Mark, and then we thrust. Predictions 1 year from now. Let me ask the wheel. Okay. Hey wheel, should I give financial advice? Yes or no? Wheel. Okay, the wheel says wheel. Fine, stupid wheel. Anyways, I was hoping the wheel would say no. I was ready to roast. My goodness, was I ready to roast? I was ready to roast. That's a coin, isn't it? It's a crypto coin, cryptoholic. It's a coin, isn't it? Stupid wheel. Coin market cap. Coin. I like how it doesn't. CEI, like this one at 73 cents. Just an opinion. What's your position? What's your position in CEI? SEI. What's your position? What's your position? Let me know. I mean, it doesn't look like a bad. I mean, it really doesn't look like a bad project. It's not one of those in the yeah, yeah. You're gonna have to give me more detail here on your position, and then that should really help. Alrighty, let me know. Anyways, back to Mark. So Mark is still kind of stalling at $1.30. So if we can break above that 130 and consolidate, and then okay, cool, 150. You do SEI and are working to yeah, okay, has been strong quite a few days in yeah, if you yeah, there you go. It looks really good. Like it actually does look really good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you're gonna have to give me more details on your positions, Cryptoholic, and then I'll take a closer look. It does look good. La 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 la. Suddenly you don't want to roast and want to look seriously. Is that wheel that holy? I mean, Musty. The last time we used the wheel was for Tesla. What happened to Tesla? I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. The last time we looked at the wheel, we said, "Hey, is Tesla going to the abyss?" The wheel said, "Yes, Tesla is going to the abyss." Well, Tesla hit new lows. Anyways, here goes Mark. $1.38. 300% for Mark. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's go Wisdom Corner. Oh my goodness. What a run. Congratulations if you're in this thing. Most of you guys have scalped this up and down, which is amazing. So congratulations. I'd like to see $1.50 though. I think what's crazier is like this thing has given us a 300% run, but like post, like not from the open, but like after the open, catalyst like midday and boom skis, which is impressive. So it looks like these candles kept closing above $1.30, and now it's looking for $1.50 maybe. Send it. Uh, let's see here. So that high is $1.40 on that candle. Okay, $1.40, and here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes, Mark. 313%. At this point, we're gonna give Josh 1,000% day. 1,000%, Josh. I said Ewin would pump. I said Ewin would pump. Well, Ewin is a different story. Is Elon hated by? Elon is hated by everybody. Everybody. Even I hate Elon. That's saying a lot. Um, Anyways, Josh is waiting for the thrust at $1.50. Come on, give us 150. Mark, 147. Mark, 148. Mark, 149. And what? I'm looking for the thrust beats because at this point it just seems inevitable. But anyways, yes. Come on, 147. 5 minutes, yeah, Wes. I mean, be careful at $1.50, please. Be careful at $1.50. We see these things. Again, like if I look at the daily, we've struggled at $1.50 in the past, so I would be a bit more cautious at $1.50 here. Alrighty, I would be careful here. Everyone loves Tesla. Don't think so. I don't think so. I don't love Tesla. There are a lot of people that don't love Tesla. Come on. Let's so it looks like we're failing at $1.50, but we got there. So let's celebrate for the 300% rally. Alrighty? Come on. Go. Go. Let the beat drop. Come on. Go. 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 Go Gary. And what? Go Rub. And what? Go Virus. And what? And Thrust. Come on. Go. 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 I like how we're thrusting. I like how we're thrusting and it's going down instead, And thrust. And what? Go Mo. Go Lincoln. Go West. And what? To the left. And slide. To the right. Come on. To the window. To the wall. Screw screw. Come on. When Lambo. To the sun. At night. And what? And thrust. Go. 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 Go spider. Go. 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 Position. That's why it's going down, Vladimir. I mean, if you're buying a position at $1.50 when you know it's resistance, you're asking for trouble, right? Go Jay. Go. 3-0. Oh my goodness, these guys are a disaster. And what? Come on. And thrust. And what? And thrust. And go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Let's go. Right. So the good thing is that Vladimir, that this thing is really strong. So hopefully we stay above the 9, which it looks like it's holding above, and then you can break above $1.50. So for now, it looks really good. So if you're in there, congratulations. If you've made monies or if you're still holding this thing, type in yes in the chat. If you've made monies in this or you're still holding it, type in yes. Yes, 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 yes. Mark the monster. Let's go. Realized. Love it. Jill, love it. Beautiful. Didi says yes, made monies. Kimbella says yes and yes. Focus, yes. Jill, well done. I saw your message. Well done. That's amazing. Focus, good job. Bradley, good job. Wes has been scalping this thing like it's a fake Twitter post. I know, right? Isn't that crazy? The reason why this is crazy, guys, is because there's not an official like article. There's not an official like, hey, this is like this deal is blah blah blah. There's not. So if the company says, "Oh, we do not see any material reason to why our stock is pumping," the stock will go to zero. So just be careful, please. Alrighty. Yeah, exactly, Josh. So we came back to retest at 130 breakout zone, right? 130 resistance, consolidation, breakout, retest, and then back up. Yeah. No resistance 150 for Mark. No resistance, Richard. There is resistance at $1.50. Right. So again, if I zoom out really quickly and we look at the daily charts, and then we zoom, right? If I move this line down, this little pink line, right there, and then I go far back enough, it's 150. The last few times we've rallied, like look at this right here, right? Right here we failed at $1.50. Right here we failed at $1.50. We broke above $1.50, but we couldn't hold. So yeah, 150 is a problem. Actually, I could bring that line a little bit lower, actually, and it would still apply. So and 150 is just a nice psychological level too. So be careful, please. Alrighty. Clearly, we're failing at the $50 because it's resistance, but it's not giving up yet, and it's holding above the nine like a gem. So it would be nice for that thing to break out. 125, Josh. Okay, nice. 125. Oh, they know exactly, Musty. That would be really evil. I mean, they would do it. They would do it. Uh, yeah, they would do it. So we've seen them do it before. You know, it's what these companies do, especially when it's a penny stock. So also, when something's up 300% and you're asking me, hey, Blaze, should I hold this overnight? It's up 300%. Take your monies to the bank and ask the bank, hey, can you give me 300% of my monies in one day? The bank will send you to jail. Or they will send you to the janitor like closet. They will lock you in there. Or like you're gonna become like the bank janitor or something. Um, quick, grab the offering papers. So for now, it looks really good. I wish the market wasn't closing because then we could play this thing without worrying that something bad could happen after hours. But together and giving us, thank you, Josh. Okay, back on track. Don't show the less. Yes, yes, yes. Back on track, Josh. Yup, yup. Anyways, is anybody planning on holding Mark overnight? Type in yes if you are. Type in yes if you're planning on holding this overnight. Type in yes. Again, don't forget to smash the like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. I really appreciate that. Smashing the like for the second time. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, again, click the link at the bottom of the chat there from Nightbots and come join us in Discord already. Alrighty. I need to do a better job of like editing some of these. Okay, let me see if I can do that. So again, keep in mind we have some pretty big earnings as soon as the market closes today, right? From Amazon to not Amazon. I keep saying Amazon, but it's not Amazon. That thing is actually holding up above a dollar really, really well, or closing the candles above the nine really well, which is nice. I just need to quickly edit here. Edit, and then save. Perfect. Some of these, yeah, I know the like the Rumble stream. Gio says no way, no way. Again, 143, Kimbella. Well done. Good job. Right? Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. The downfall to most people scalping like that, the downfall is um yeah. The downfall to scalping multiple times, the mistake most people do is everybody's willing to take 5 cents. Like I get into this stock, I sell for 5 cents, but then when it goes against you, you're not willing to take 5 cents of losses, which becomes a problem. Be careful. And we're doing a good job of holding the nine, which I like, but it's also starting to look like it's T-Rex. So I hope that's not the case though, because what it's starting to be like it's stopping right there, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh my goodness, but what's happening? How come it's crashing? Right? So be careful, please. I'm willing to take 5 cents. It's like, oh my goodness, I just made 5 cents. Just made 5 cents. But then when you're losing 5 cents, it's like, yeah, I don't want to take 5 cents. Kidding me? 5 cents of my money? Are you bad? You know what? If I have 5 cents to go in the village, you know, coconuts, some watermelons, some pineapples. Are you kidding? Absolutely not. Resistance is anywhere below 150, Antonio. So yeah, yeah. Anyways, well, it's dipping. Are we surprised that it's dipping, guys? We are not. We are not surprised that it's dipping. Oh, it's looking like it's UX, right? The arrow is too far down. The arrow is too far down, but it's following the arrow. Can you hear me? Let me know if you can. Hello? Hello? Hear me? No. Yes. Check. Please and thank you. In and out. Yes, we can. You can hear me. But it's kind of messed up. You're under the WhatsApp. A lot of feedback. Oh, I know why. Sorry. I know why. It's because I have two streams running at the same time. It's because I have two streams running at the same time. Sorry, sorry, sorry. It's because it's like it's sending audio to like Rumble and then it's sending audio to like YouTube. So then you guys are getting like two different streams at once. Yeah, sorry, sorry. Yeah, it's good now. I just yeah. I usually remember to fix it. I just forgot to fix it for a second. I am not cheating. You guys asked for this, Troy. You're like, okay, I like watching better on Rumble. Can you stream on Rumble too? And I was like, okay, your wish is my command. Should I hold OMND, Vladimir? You're gonna have to give me some details. What did you get in ad? What's your stop loss ads? Give me some details about your position, and then we can look. Otherwise, you're asking me to be a magician for you. You know, should I hold this overnight? Okay, let me take a look at ONMD. Also, keep in mind this is the second day that this thing is kind of running, so it's not really not running. But yeah, let me know what your position is. It doesn't look too bad actually. Um, just let me know. Anyways, back to Mark, guys. If Mark struggles at the 9 and we close below the 20, then I think we're going to sell off. So this candle here is going to be very important. Alrighty. Is there a buying opportunity? There's more sort of a gamble opportunity. I wish the market didn't close in 20 minutes because then we would have more time to make decisions. But for now, with the market closing in 20 minutes, I think we maybe have an issue. Uh, is SPY all-time highs again? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I want to see what some of these other names are at. Some of these other names, you're in at $1.25. Okay, that's good. So at least you're green in that position. So what I would do if I was in the same position, Vladimir, is I would keep watching that 125 level, and if it doesn't go below now or after hours, then I would consider holding it. If it goes below at any point, I would get rid of it. So it looks like Mark is trying to get back above the 9. Let's see where this candle closes. So we have about another 15 seconds on it. 15 seconds. Oh, 14 minutes ago? Oh, I see. Yeah. $1.42. $1.42. The problem with this again, guys, is that we know where resistance is and we're pretty damn close to resistance. Right? So anything can basically happen here. I mean, you see these candles, we could easily drop like that and just never go back up, right? Especially at the end of the day. So when you're looking for positions, right, you're asking yourself, okay, like if I buy, what's my risk? What's my reward? My risk is we go to the abyss, right? My reward is we go up to like 150 and then we fail again. So for now, we do need to break above $1.50, and then that opens up more room for more potential upsides. Another good pop after hour stuff, maybe. That would be nice. That would be nice. Oh, So yep, 143. Come on, give us a direction. You either pump it or crush it. Come on. Taking too long to go? Yeah. Fun. Hello, Willie. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Willie. Willie hates Tesla, by the way. Jill, good job. Good job, good job today. Okay, well done. Hmm. Na, 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 na. Yeah, I mean, again, I keep seeing a lot of questions of like, um, I keep seeing a lot of questions of like wanting to hold Mark overnight. That's completely up to you. I always get a bit concerned when I see something up 300%, like 300%, and then like I want to hold it overnight. Um, you could also just watch it after hours and see what it's doing. Because if that thing breaks above $1.50 after hours, it could do really, really well. So, and also it's Microsoft, so it's really good news. But I would honestly at this point take profits, and then if we break above after hours, and then play with it again, because you don't want to have that thing immediately drop. No, no, no. If you back into Shiba, you bought some Shiba, Willie. What do you see in Shiba? Am I using 5 minute intervals? No, these are 1 minute candles, Kimbella. These are 1 minute candles. Yeah, or get up at 4 to decide for a re-entry. Exactly, Troy. Exactly. If you hold something overnight like this, you have to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning. You cannot be sleeping and snoring like, and then you're like, oh, I have a position in the stock. Let me stretch first. Let me stretch. You know what? Let me go get a cup of coffee. By the time you come back, you will have no house to sleep in. Okay, so just be aware. So when you hold crazy stocks overnight, you have to wake up at 4 a.m. in the morning and decide if you're selling or like holding it. Alrighty, we talked about CISS last night, right? CISS, and I mentioned that if you're gonna hold this thing overnight, you better wake up early, right? Wake up early. If you woke up early on CISS, we talked about this thing at 16 cents, 17 cents, 18 cents. If you woke up early in the morning, look at this, right? 20, 21. 23, 24. That thing went boom skis, right? If you were snoring and you're waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting, by the time we get to 5 a.m., it's already crashing. By the time we get to 6 a.m. in the morning, it's in the abyss already. By the time you wake up at 8 a.m. in the morning, it's gone to zero, right? So if you hold crazy things, you don't sleep. In the tent, begging for money for coffee. Exactly. That's good. See, unbelievable. Now using it a lot next to your stock gambling performance. Yeah, it's the abyss. I am not. I am not asthmatic. What are my thoughts on Shiba? I've been holding Shiba. Shiba is rubbish. Months, just a gut feeling. Shiba will run when Bitcoin goes above 50 or something like that. When Bitcoin decides to go boom skis, like Shiba and Doge will have like a 10% rally. But now they're both rubbish. But so they need Bitcoin to break out and go boom skis. What are we gonna watch for tomorrow? I'm not sure. It will depend on like how the market closes. Also, we have the Fed tomorrow, so it's gonna be a bit crazy. And then it depends on what news comes after hours, what news comes tomorrow morning, right? If you notice, like most of the things we're looking at today, right? These are stocks that had news today at some point, right? I mean, Mark, look at Mark, right? Top gainer today. These guys had news an hour, 2 hours ago, however long ago. right? So when you're asking for like names to watch tomorrow, it depends on a lot of things. Obviously, we can have a list, but it still depends on a lot of things. Close the year at 200K for Bitcoin, 200. Watching on Max because Powell will be whispering, and if your back is turned, you're just gonna hear something in your ear, and then, anyways, yeah. While I was snoozing, back to a small loss by market open. Exactly. Uh, Beside, I didn't get the damn hit the target at 3:15. See, exactly. You have to wake up early. That's not even funny. That's not even funny. Unbelievable. The halving is always followed by 2 to 6 months of later by bull run. Yeah, yeah. Like the good projects, though, it doesn't mean Shiba has to run. I'm sure Shiba will go up, but yeah, I'm sure Shiba will go up, but yeah, hold after hours, but not overnight. DP. Yeah, make sure you're not delayed DP. But yeah, that's a good plan. I do kind of like how Mark is holding. You know, it's good. It's nice how it's holding this area. The issue is you don't know which way it's gonna go because it could decide to go up or go down. That's the problem with resistance. It can break it or it can crash. Clearly, we've been failing here for the last 10 minutes. Yeah, so we need to make that decision. We hope it breaks above $1.50. La, la, la. Oh lordy, futures are wild virus. Yep, yep. But I have had situations where like I'm about to sell something. Trippy assist, damn. I'm about to sell something for $100 and then it sells at 130 virus. So like it goes both ways, depending on which way like it's going. It's called distribution. It's called uh, ear whispering. It's called ASMR. Anyways, we'll make it cost twice as much to mine. Yeah, exactly. But again, that's a good thing for BTC, right? Less supply. So yeah, it will cause a rally. Doesn't mean Shiba has to run though. And twice the time, yeah, yeah. It doesn't mean Shiba has to rally. Like that is good for Bitcoin. That's good for the real names in crypto. I think most people have moved on like from these rubbish coins. Most people moved on from like rubbish crypto coins. They want to see like true value now. Look at Solana. Like that thing did really well, right? Look at ETH. Look at Bitcoin. Like these things have done really well when Bitcoin had a run. What about Dogecoin? Dogecoin did nothing, right? Shiba did nothing. People want like actual like yeah, scam coins. People want like real projects now. Um, yeah. But a bull run would be nice though for everything in the crypto space. Anyways, we have 8 minutes left, guys. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes. And then boomskis. So today's the 30th. Okay. Let's see here. And then we have to pull up calendars here for Microsoft, AMD, and then Google as well. Yes, it is crypto. Yes, it is. Yeah. I need to close that Rumble stream, I think. Really? Okay. I mean, so you can kind of see people taking profits there, right? So this is the problem with holding a 300% run into the close. Look at Mark, right? It's dropping. So $1.19 now from 320 to 250. So yep. I bet you someone's gonna ask Wes, hey, have you heard of this company? No, we have no deal with them. 80 million deal, $80 million deal? From where? Anyways, did I see our VSN run? I went out at 450. Yeah, it ran to $28 from $2 to $28, which is ridiculous. Would have been nice to hold. Anyway, so we have 5 minutes to go. Let me know if you have any questions before the market closes. Again, if you made monies on Mark, congratulations. Congratulations. I'm not sure why Rumble is glitching here. You want to get out of Mark? Why? What's your average? Why didn't you sell at $1.50? What's your average, John? Let me know. So I think I'll keep the CDIO into the close most likely, just because that's a swing and it looks really good actually. And then why would you hold Mark overnight? The answer is actually now that it's selling off. So imagine you took profits at $1.40 something, right? So sold off. If we can kind of find a way to stay above $1.20 and it's gaining momentum after hours, might not be a bad thing. So for sure, gonna watch that for a bit and then see what happens. Na 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 na. Yeah. And then tomorrow, I think we need to pay attention to anything that's in the teens, Wes. Anything that's a low float in the teens, with a little bit of volume in pre-market, need to pay attention to that because it could potentially be the one again, just like Nexi and RVSN. You know. Yeah. See again, Willie. I don't think that makes a huge difference. Right. So I think the biggest thing here is utility. Right. For Shiba, the biggest thing is utility. So it's a project that doesn't have utility. Like it's based on momentum. So unless BTC really gets a big run, I don't think it's gonna make a huge difference. I do think Shiba is better than Doge though. That's for sure. You know. So 3 minutes. 3 minutes. It's like a few $100s. Oh, that's your position. That's not too bad then. As long as you're not getting a Tesla-like position and then holding it because you're waiting for something to happen, then that's not too bad. I do hope it rallies for you though. Yeah, yeah. You have 325. Yeah, no. As long as it's not a massive position and you understand that it's a gamble, there's nothing wrong with that. Really? What an idiot. I mean, yeah. No, that's good. That's good. Came back 10 minutes before the close now. Tony, hopefully you don't have any big losses. Kimbella, do you have a position in that play? Let me know. So that's one that's done really well today, right? So PEPG. Yeah, what do I think about this name? I think it looks interesting just because it's above $10. For now, if I were you and I was interested in this position, I would just kind of leave it for now until like it actually broke out, Why? Because look at that. It's been going sideways for the last 2 hours. It's been going sideways. So unless this thing breaks out, I would stay away from it. It does fit the theme. Yes, it does. Yeah, yeah. Just because the issue with getting into something like this is what happens if it keeps doing this and this and this and this and this and this and then that does this, right? So you want to at least get confirmation that it's doing that, but then it's actually breaking above the top of the range, right? So just don't get yourself in trouble by So Mark looks like it's bouncing off $1.20 ish. So market closes in a minute here, and then we shall see what happens after hours. But not too bad of a rally. Not bad at all. I have a new dividend portfolio on Schwab. What do you have in it, Willie? What do you have in this divvy portfolio? Dividend portfolio. Next, he close into the end. Okay, here we go. So I'm not exactly sure when. So I think some of these earnings come out exactly at 4:05. Not sure which though. So I'm gonna pull up Microsoft, MSFT. It's up 60 cents, but I really don't think that matters. Um, I think the base case here for this is that it rallies after hours. It's very rare to see Microsoft miss earnings, but who knows? This damn thing is at all-time highs. So if they give us weak guidance, then you could see a potential sell-off. And then we have what else do we have on the list? We have Google, but then I want to look at something else though, because I know there's another name on the list here. So Microsoft, AMD, Google, Starbucks. Alrighty, so I'm gonna pull up AMD because AMD could be fun. Not a whole. AMD's at $171 now. Wow, wasn't AMD $90 2 months ago? It's at 170 now. Hmm. Well, I guess when all the politicians are buying chip stocks, no wonder it's gonna rally. What a bunch of criminals! Bunch of criminals. Yeah, that's pretty good. So yeah, 9% annual monthly pay. Yeah, that's really good. TSLY pays 94% dividend. 94%. That doesn't sound right, Willie. 94%. Hmm. I wonder if that's NQ. Look it up. Yeah, that's NQ. Oh my goodness, that's really dangerous. So Microsoft is dipping, guys. Microsoft is dipping. I don't see anything yet though for earnings, so I don't. I'm not quite sure if these are actual earnings or just. Okay, I don't see anything yet. They beat earnings and it's going to the abyss. Google is also going to the abyss. See, results came out. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, beats. Yep. See, to me, this is the problem with these stocks. Is Microsoft is all the way at all-time highs. Beat earnings, miss earnings. It's at all-time highs. How much more does it want to go? Mm. And both sell the news exactly. Honestly, is anybody surprised that they're both going down, guys? Anybody surprised? Anybody? Oh, the S&P is gonna get NSAT tomorrow. Yes. Crash the S&P, please. Oh, then wait till power comes on tomorrow. Watch them dip it now, and then Powell pumps it back up tomorrow. The dip has begun. We've been waiting for this for 100 years now. 100 years we've been waiting for the market to crash. 100 years, guys. Bridge, 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 bridge. Everybody, bridge, bridge, bridge. So we're down $6. It's not even 2%, but yeah, it's not bad though. Interesting levels. Yeah, Mark is going up a little bit. So 135. Yeah, it's creeping up, right? So like I said, like that sell off into the close maybe wasn't a bad thing. Not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all. What's AMD doing? I think all of these names. Oh, oh. Since. It's always the same names, isn't it? More like, and then you like over the span of a year, it's all the same names repeating. PEPG with a green candle after hours, but the spread is ridiculous. Ridiculous. 15.4. Okay, cool. Are we surprised? Starbucks to the abyss. Are we surprised, guys? Not. Not. What's the S&P doing though? Is SPY at 300 yet? SPY is at SPY is like, I'll give you 3 cents. 63 cents. Minus 63 cents. That's all we get for dipskis. Yeah. Anyways. Um, yeah. Watch this damn thing recover though. Look at that. Starbucks Starbucks not good. Bring great coffee IPO. Yes, absolutely. Rob, absolutely. IPO great coffee. Hot trades investors. Yeah. Yeah, they're bouncing. I mean, if anything's gonna bounce, Wes, it's these names because they clearly have been pumping for months now. So yeah, pretty strong names. Pretty strong names. Anyways, so AMD is at 170. Like it's lost $2. Nobody cares. Uh, Kidding. Um. Yep. I wish the S&P was down more, but to the price of it last year, dividend yield is 96.9. Yeah, exactly. That's the problem with these dividend yields. It's like, okay, well, yeah, you're getting a nice dividend, but then the price also goes to the abyss. So you almost, yeah. Anyways, that's ridiculous, though. 96%, 94. That's crazy. Let me pull up the chart. See, I've heard this before. I've just never looked at it. And then if I look at the daily, 850. Huh, interesting. Wait, so this thing I was at 20. Yeah, see, this is one of those ETFs that's completely based on like one thing, and it becomes a problem. That's crazy. Luton scored 4 goals. Yeah, I want these players gone from my team. I want Brighton. Actually, I want the whole team gone. The whole team gone. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to stay on for a bit so we could see Microsoft. So let me know if you have any last questions, and then we can go back to Discord. What happened, Rob? But pays more than the drop. I don't want anything to do with Tesla, unfortunately. I don't want anything to do with Elon Musk unless it has to do with crypto, and then I'm interested. If it's not crypto, then I'm not interested. Other than that, nothing. I don't want anything to do with Elon. Next thing you know, Elon is gonna screw you in the middle of the night. Middle of the night, you'll be screwed. So no thanks. Three. You only got $3. See, that's different though. If you're putting $3 in there, uh, I want nothing to do with Elon. What they really Elon telling people what he really thinks. Yes. Troy, yes. Believe in Elon? I don't believe in Elon. Mhm. I think Elon. Yeah. I don't believe in Elon. Please and thank you. Leave me alone. Tesla can go to 300 and I would not care. Unbelievable. Yeah. Let me show you what the dude is doing on Twitter. Okay. Let me go on Twitter really quickly. While the stock is going to the abyss, every hour Elon is gonna tweet some rubbish. Okay. Elon. What's the man Elon tweeting now? Look at this. Elon is running for president soon. Again, like proper issues, proper issues, right? These are proper issues. These are issues that should be talked about. Yes, Elon is a citizen. Yes, but the market doesn't, like it's that line between like him saying things that people should be saying versus then affecting the stock, right? So yeah, Elon is busy watching CNBC or CNN while the stock is crashing. Or anyways, so yeah, 160, 100 actually, 100, 100. Starbucks, Starbucks at $2 yet? Oh, Starbucks is green. Starbucks is green. Damn. $100? Yes, that would be nice, Virus. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm. But no one wants his opinion on everything which hurts all those companies. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, when I put monies in the company, I don't. Yeah. Anyways. Microsoft is curling now too. Yup. Microsoft is almost green west. Yup. It's down 9 cents. Yup. 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 Microsoft is almost green. Wild. Tomorrow is the big day though. So tomorrow and then we have March. So if we don't crash tomorrow, then just keep pumping it, I guess. Yep, there goes Microsoft green. Microsoft is off 40 cents, 60 cents. This seems like one of those cases where if you're holding puts or calls, you're gonna get screwed. Screwed. Beats, but they say it wasn't as far as the margin they wanted to, so they have. Oh wow, okay. The stock is pumping now though. Yeah, it's up $1.40 now. Microsoft. So when all-time highs. When all-time highs. So for breaking news, we had a whole bunch of Okay, let's delete that, please. Rubbish. Oh yeah, Microsoft is pumping now, guys. Hmm. So since had news, uh, Elon Musk CTO, Chief Troll Officer, Chief Troll Officer. Microsoft is up $3, guys. It's going for all-time highs. Oh my days. Oh wow. Look at that. Microsoft is 50 cents from all-time highs. Oh wow. There goes Microsoft. Microsoft is sitting at new all-time highs after hours. Well, I mean, it actually did push to on this candle though. But candles like that before earnings, I don't know if you can really trust them. But yep, all-time highs Microsoft. With the new coffee with mango. That bump is fake. Well, well, yep, there goes Starbucks. Starbucks is pumping. What's AMD doing? I bet you AMD is also pumping now. AMD is actually still crashing, guys. AMD is going the opposite way. AMD said, nope, 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 I will not be a part of this. Dipping. Yeah. Puts. Puts for Microsoft? Maybe. Perhaps. Perhaps. So Microsoft puts. What's Nvidia doing? Is Nvidia still pumping? Nvidia was green today, but it's down after hours, most likely because of AMD. AMD. So yeah, we'll see. Are you doing some spy puts tomorrow, Joe, as well? Spy puts or just virus? Do I need to join virus for spy puts tomorrow, or are we going to 500? Rob, we're going to 500, aren't we? Guess what's trash? BA or Tesla? Large caps will bleed tomorrow. I think the day is coming. You have some already? Okay. Sounds good. We should have bought some Tesla puts today, at the highs. If there's one thing that's going to bleed, that's Tesla. To 11? Oh, wow. Yeah, Vladimir, that stock is trash. Oh, that West reaction then seemed like it was just a reaction from the market, but now it's actually okay. Okay. They're running from each other. Okay, so what are we looking at for puts tomorrow? Microsoft? Microsoft is crashing already. Microsoft lost all the gains, guys. All of it lost. From 414 to 408. Anyways. I told, but you said Elon can suck it. I know we need puts, guys. Puts on everything tomorrow. Anything that's gapping up tomorrow, we'll be getting puts virus. So anything. What's Meta at? Meta reports earnings on Thursday as well. What's Meta is kind of flat. Yeah, it's also down after hours. So yeah. But then you look at the daily and it's ridiculous. Look at the daily for Meta, guys. Look at this. Meta, that is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Elon is your president. He always makes you monies, Vladimir. Yeah. No, Elon has done really well with some of these stocks, some of these projects run by an androids. Yep, Joe, I agree for sure. I agree. I agree. I agree. I agree. So, Virus, let me know. Well, I know you're holding puts on everything already, so it's kind of on. But let me look at Microsoft. What's the daily here for Microsoft? Look at that! Look at that chart, guys. Again, we know these companies are amazing, amazing, amazing. But damn, are you kidding me? You almost want it to gap up tomorrow. Microsoft puts loading. When we wake up tomorrow, we are looking for violence. Overbought. Yep. And then the S&P obviously did what it did today, right? Some spy puts. Yes. Yes. Amazon puts. Amazon. Amazon. AMZN. Yeah, these things all look the same. All of them. All of them. The bears wake up. I'm ready for the bears to wake up. Ready. So tomorrow when the market opens, remind me please. Well, actually before the market opens, it's puts day. Let's get some puts. One of these names will be feeling yeah. Anyways. Oh, tonight we need to actually look for like some of these way extended names because some of them are extended, but some of them dipped today. There's nothing really that like other than large caps. There's nothing else that looks okay after hours. Like Mark looks nice. Mark is going back up, guys. Right? Like Mark sold up to $1.10 and it's back to 140. So Mark is clearly wanting to like show some yes, Rob. Tonight I look for puts. All these large caps extended. The 80s. That's all I need to see. Yes. Apple is extended. Every time I short Apple, I always end up crying. So every time I buy Apple puts, Apple says, "Oh yeah, you think so? Oh, okay." Also, Apple kind of dipped the last 3 days, though. Look at that. Apple has been stalling. Yeah, Apple has been showing signs of weakness already. 196 Apple to 180, 187. Yeah. AMD is pumping. Actually, AMD pumps. Oh yeah, AMD send it. AMD would be a nice one for puts actually, because AMD has a lot of room to the downside. A lot of room to the downside. So I want to see gap ups tomorrow. I want to see gap ups tomorrow, Wes. This is different, Rob. This is different. Tomorrow, I want revenge. You have March 150s. I want those ones too. I want a gap up tomorrow, and I want some 150s. 150s for Apple or for AMD, Joe. Spy holding 190. Don't worry, Troy. Tomorrow it will feel the violence. Unbelievable. If Spy pumps tomorrow, I'm gonna cry. I want the market to crash for multiple reasons. The main reason is so for long-term positions. I want some long-term positions. Can't buy those stupid things up all the way up here though. So I don't want the market to die. I just want it to go down a little bit. So then we can load up some long-term positions and then we can forget about it. This is pretty stupid. Shouldn't be pumping like this. Like what the hell? Tell me why Apple went from this price or AMD went. I guess like other than hype. Max says, where do I need to sign up for Discord? So click the link at the bottom there, um, Max. So click the link from Nightbots, and then sign up for the level that says Discord Community, Legend, or Goat. One of those three levels, and then I'll send you the link. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Hi sis, I'm Indian. Um, if I take off my glasses, you can see my face better or hear my voice better. Um, anyways, na, 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 na. I have so you made that virus or who made that? So Google Microsoft. Yeah, I'm ready. Who have I been talking to about long-term positions? Um, it really is. Like this is too much. Like AMD is like everything is too much. Like this is ridiculous. Like what the hell is this? Why the hell is AMD all the way up there? I mean, you understood enough to call me a sis, so I'm offended. I'm not offended. Um, I'm just kidding, by the way. So no, that's okay. Welcome to the community. Hi from India. Uh, don't worry about who made it. Who made that virus? That was you, wasn't it? Propaganda. You were ready to spam it on social media so everybody could panic, and then you can make monies. Oh my goodness. Hi, Oksana. AMD on that what? I'm ready for some AMD puts. I actually am ready for AMD puts. I'm gonna look tonight. I will look tomorrow. I will be ready for AMD. Hopefully it gaps up though. If it's not a gap up, I don't want it. Hi sis. Like wait, what? Is maybe there's somebody behind me. Hi sis. Anyways. It's from oh, I see. Trailer park. I like buying the crazy after our volatility drops on earnings. So AMD 160 would have been a great, yeah, that would have been a great entry, Wes. Yeah. Yep. AMD had a ridiculous day the other day, all the way to 185. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Virus, if you see anything that's, sitting at all-time highs, let me know. Okay? Not stuff that like is already dipping. Stuff that like is still there, Still up there. If I sign up tonight, will I get the link for tonight? Max, yes. So become a member. I have like 2 more minutes, and then I'll send you the link right now. Make sure you sign up for the right level though. So again, Legend, Goat, or Discord community, and then I'll send you the link. Like now, and then you can join and connect. No sleep tonight, Virus. I like it. No sleep. Come on, Rob. Come join us, Rob. Come join us. Tomorrow we get puts. Market has to go to the abyss. Why? Because we said so. AMD is back to red. Dang it. Stay green. Wes, they have been, Wes. They have been. We've making all-time highs for the last month now. Highs. We have to go down, Wes, for selfish reasons, yes. But stocks making all-time highs do keep making all-time highs, and they have been making all-time highs. But how much more? I have been corrupted. Yes, I have been. But for good reason. For good reason. I want them to dip, not to die, just so we can get some opportunities. Some opportunities, Wes. Like, you know, opportunities. You can't be buying the S&P at like, 490 something. Like, what the hell? What the hell? You want to buy SPY at these prices? You know? Like, look at this. Look at that. October, we were at 400s. October, 400s. A few months later, we're all the way up here. Are you kidding me? That is ridiculous. When do we go down? When do we go to the abyss? Some SPY 450 puts loading. Okay, good, Wes. Good. Yeah, exactly. We want deep discounts. Deep discount. Close out sales. Yes, mattress firms. We would need to go to war for that type of discount, right, Joe? No, absolutely, Wes, absolutely, absolutely. We do have to, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. We don't do silly things anymore. No more Mullins. Who am I kidding? We're gonna do everything, everything. Yeah, you never know. Yeah, yes, yes, yes. I mean, technically, we have been stalling the last few days, so tomorrow would be perfect. Tomorrow would be perfect. What I want to hear from Power tomorrow is yes, the economy is strong because he's always going to say that. Yes, people have jobs. Yes, yes, people's savings are at all-time highs. Yes, people have monies. Yes, everything is good. But we're not going to give you 6 rate cuts though. And then the market is going to say, "What? Are you kidding me? What? You know what? How about we go back to 400?" Yes. What do you think about it, please? I think fun, 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 fun. Again, the next time fun rallies is when the next catalyst is coming for Trump. Yeah. So my drop the. Oh my goodness, Joe, you played yourself. Real talk. Mic drop. Yeah, I just want to see gap ups tomorrow. So yeah. 510 after a drop to from 570. Yeah, see, that's what we want, Wes. Just little drops. Nothing like drop, 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 drop. Anyways, so Magdi, I'm not quite sure what you're asking for because you're not giving me a specific question. So let me know. Alrighty. Hi sis. Hi sis. Yeah. Would be I mean for the markets. I don't know. I don't know. Virus is hovering. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave you there for today. Needs to come out with the big rapper chains and glasses and say these. Yep. And the market is gonna crash so quickly. Actually, in Discord, Rob, where in like general, oh, stream clips. Hi, sis. Oh my goodness. I've never been called sis before. Hi, sis. I had to take off the glasses and make sure my voice was deeper. Hi, sis. I mean, I wouldn't mind being Indian, but I don't know if I want to be called a sis. So, you need a sis. Hi, sis. I could live in India. I could live anywhere. But sis, I don't know about sis. Oh, come on, Joe. It's time to go. We need to go, guys. What's Mark doing? Mark still looks good, actually. We're going to keep watching Mark after hours in Discord. We're going to keep watching this one because if it breaks above $1.40 and stays above $1.40, we could go for that 150. Right? So Mark doesn't look like it's done yet. Rubbish. Rubbish. It's time to go. Hey, Blasis. How does Awin look? Awin at this point needs Jesus. Must he needs Jesus. Unfortunately. Needs Jesus. He says, since it's up 125% now. Oh my goodness. Yeah, those guys had news. Look at AMD. AMD is crashing again like a tomato rock. crashing like a tomato rug. Mohammed mentioned this in Discord. They had news, and yeah, it looks really good. So, yep, for those of you guys that were able to catch this, it looks nice. Yeah, you agree? Yeah, it needs Jesus at this point. La la la. So since 52 cents on fire, and you're holding Mara on Mara. Okay. What's Bitcoin at here? Bitcoin is at 43.6. Okay, yeah, BTC looks nice. Maybe I should have got back into like Wolf or something, Oksana. Bye, sis. Hey, Gil. Bye, Gil. Uh, but you still up, bro. Let's go, T. You're welcome, T. Have a good evening. Jesus must really hate that stock market. Every ticker needs him. Yep, yep. Can you look at virus? Yes, yes. When's this IPO? Uh, Never. Thank God I got out of your mark position. Actually, that is a ticker symbol virus. You say it as a joke. It is a ticker symbol. It is a stock. SISI is a stock. We've played with it before. It's like a small stock. Yeah, look at that penny stock. This is the sis stock. My is that Blaze's pronouns? My pronouns are he and she, guys. You know, he on stream, she at night. Let's go. When I go to India, my pronoun is she. Maybe that's why. That's why it's been mistaken. That's So let's keep that a secret, please. I leave on that note. I think we should leave on this note too. What did they call you on your OnlyFans? I don't know. I was thinking of something, Wes. I couldn't think of anything. Would you continue to hold? No. So you have resistance at 50. I would not let that. Well, I mean, it's below 50 cents already. So don't go red because you're holding to pre market, please. Don't go red at all, Kimbella. If that thing can stay above 46 cents, it should be okay. 46 cents. But below that, you might have a problem. I like how Joe starts this violence and then he's like, I have to leave. Unbelievable. Anyways. Anyways. Has been the nut the whole time. It all makes sense now. um, I'm from the futures. Let's go, Daddy Nita. Let's go, let's go. S1 effective. Okay, yeah, be careful, be careful. Yeah, I would not be holding that thing overnight because, yeah. Make money to protect the gains and then move on. Yeah. Especially if they have an S1 active and the stock is up 100%. I bet you they're ready to execute. So, Mark is going? Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at that thing go. Finally broke above $1.50. Finally broke above $1.50 mark. So it's clearly not done yet. Ooh wee. That's impressive. Yeah, let's see if we can stay above $1.50 after hours. So we crashed all the way to $1.07 though in after hours. So for those of you guys that were holding at $1.50, like, oh my goodness, but I want to hold it. We did go to $1.07. And then you panic sell and then it goes all, oh my goodness, 160. Sheesh. 3 trillion? You know what I mean, Rob? Like these things are doing too much. This is too much. The market is too high. Too high. We need to put an end to this, you know? Too rich for my blood, but we could use it, that info. Yeah, yeah, I'll look into that. I will look into that. More than our governments? Isn't that crazy, Rob? That's crazy, isn't it? I think what we need to do is, yeah, but then you're just wasting money. Though when you buy long term positions and you hedge with options, you can be wasting monies, especially if these long term positions are just slowly creeping up. Yeah, they are government. Yeah, exactly. They are. They run the country. Volatility, 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 volatility. There we go. Uh, yeah, yeah, 156, John. 156. Yep, you sold early. That's okay. Again, keep in mind this thing crashed. Like it did crash. So yep. So it's basically a 50% from like that pre after our low. So if you were able to stomach that drop, yes, now you're happy, but you were panicking. So panicking. Nah. So much news is meh. Yeah, I think people just look at anything, see that is moving, and then yeah, but it's actually dropping now, anyways, right? So 54 cents back to 42. So Kimbella, hopefully you took profits at that play. Anyways, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Let's leave it there. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom and come join us in Discord. Once you become a member, send me an email. Email is at the top of your screen, and I will send you an invite. Alrighty, have a wonderful evening. Be safe. Uh, make sure you make sure. Anyways, uh, my computer crashed. So this is the link. So again, you have to become a member first, Max. Use this link. Become a member, right? Once you become a member, make sure you sign up for Legend, Goats, or the Discord community level. Once you become a member, send me an email. Email is at the top of your screen there, Hot Trades X, and then I will send you an invite to join us. You're welcome, Kimbella. You're welcome. Alrighty, so become a member, and then I'll send you the invite. Or I could just take so much of your yeah. Uh, yes. 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 Uh, in the after hours lower volume etc West, yeah, exactly. So or Max, when you become a member, so use the first link to become a member, and then once you become a member, use the second link to connect to Discord. You're not going to connect if you're not a member, though. So, anyways, guys, be safe. Do you send out at night? What's the next day's? We will always talk about them like all night or the next morning max, right? Whether that's based on a catalyst, most of them are based on catalyst anyways. So you'd never know what's gonna pump tomorrow unless like you're awake early and then the news comes out and then you play with it, right? So yeah, we talk about that stuff, but it's pretty hard to like want to be able to predict stuff, right? And say, hey, this is going to run tomorrow because again, no one could have predicted that Mark was going to run today, but then they had news with Microsoft, right? And then Boomski's 300%. You just have to be ready and have a community, right? Because if you're missing something, somebody else won't. So again, click the link, become a member, and then use the second link at the bottom there and join us in Discord. And then see you tomorrow morning. Crystal ball, Troy, the crystal ball. Already on? Already, guys. See you guys tomorrow and whatnot. And yeah, welcome Max. Welcome Max. Yeah, so yeah, once you become a member. Chaos Wednesday, yeah. I want to see you like red, Troy. Red. Alrighty guys, bye guys. Bye. Bye bye.